The ballistic missile failed to launch successfully. It actually detonated right on the launch pad. Fortunately, it was only fitted with a simulated warhead this time. Otherwise, a catastrophe would have been unavoidable. This is definitely not a suspenseful scene from a Hollywood movie. It's a real-life accident during a Belarusian military exercise. This hardcore drill was supposed to deter NATO. How did such a major incident happen? Let's take a closer look at this dangerous accident I just mentioned. The main player here is the famous Iskander ballistic missile. The exact cause of the accident is still pending official confirmation. Analyzing from a technical perspective, it's highly probable that the missile's booster malfunctioned. There's also the possibility that the launch vehicle system itself had issues. This exercise originally carried significant strategic responsibilities, namely to showcase Belarus's nuclear deterrence to the world. But this unexpected launch accident also objectively exposed some reliability issues with the equipment. The quality control of advanced weaponry is definitely facing challenges. Lukashenko in recent years has regarded Russia's nuclear deployment as a key cornerstone for enhancing Belarus's national defense. However, this unexpected accident at the launch site will inevitably cause observers to reassess the real combat capabilities of the system. In these high-level strategic exercises, Russian forces usually deploy highly mobile missile launch vehicles, mainly to test operational response speed. Russian and Belarusian missile units conduct deep tactical coordination, simulating the entire process from troop assembly to ignition. Just this May, the two countries held a massive joint military exercise. They deployed tens of thousands of elite troops and hundreds of launch vehicles. This exerted strong strategic pressure on NATO. The context for this launch accident is precisely a key moment in Russia's expanded frontline strategic deployment. Since 2023, Moscow began deploying tactical nuclear weapons inside Belarus. This is the first forward deployment of Russian nuclear forces since the breakup of the Soviet Union. Russian military leadership has already confirmed that special munitions have been safely transferred to dedicated storage facilities. From a geopolitical perspective, Belarus is an outstanding forward operating base. It's closer to NATO's central zone than Russian territory. Missiles and strategic bombers stationed here can rapidly target most areas of Eastern Europe. Their response time is much faster than launches from Russian homeland. To strengthen its allies' defense system, Moscow provided dual-use delivery systems. However, the nuclear launch codes remain firmly in Russian hands. According to official Belarusian sources, the number of special warheads deployed internally is considerable. With more advanced equipment arriving, Belarus is becoming increasingly vital in Russia's strategic game. Besides hardware transfers, Russia is also conducting systematic hands-on training for Belarusian officers and soldiers. Official footage shows missile troops repeatedly practicing launch procedures, as well as highly classified command and control operations. Any complex military system faces unpredictable technical risks during live operations. This high-intensity drill triggered a mechanical failure at its core. It's worth noting, the timing of this accident is particularly special. It coincided with a major upgrade of Belarus's military facilities. Commercial satellite reconnaissance data shows a large amount of strategic deterrence infrastructure is under rapid construction. This includes brand new missile launch sites. Many carefully camouflaged launch shelters are taking shape. Belarus is integrating an unprecedented depth into Russia's overall defense architecture. Although the actual footage of the launch pad explosion has not yet been confirmed by public commercial satellite imagery, related technical investigations will soon yield results. Keep in mind, Western intelligence agencies are monitoring Russia and Belarus around the clock. Any explosion involving a major weapon launch system will definitely not escape their notice. Once the details of the accident are fully confirmed, this strategic exercise meant to show strength will become first-hand research material for assessing Russian military equipment reliability. Overall, Russia's expanded strategic deployment in Belarus is undoubtedly a strong move against NATO's eastward expansion. But this Iskander missile launch accident also shows indirectly that high-intensity nuclear deterrence operations often come with extremely high technical risks. Mechanical failures during drills could trigger far-reaching strategic concerns. This unexpected incident is also a wake-up call for all parties. Great power rivalry tests not only unwavering strategic resolve, but also the absolute reliability of core equipment.